Let me show you how to install a bobbin in this mini sewing machine, also how to thread the bottom part as well. So before you actually install the bottom part, also make sure you verify that your top part is actually properly set up, otherwise it won't actually pull properly and you won't be able to install the bobbin. So simply observe how I have installed it. So through this tensioning wheel here, through the arm here, through this thing over here, and also from the left side to the right side in your needle eye. So once you have installed them, so simply take your bobbin and make sure the thread is hanging from the right side. So you see, from the right side, and then simply let's drop in our bobbin like this in this tiny compartment. And then what you have to do is simply take this loose tail and simply position over here in this tiny groove over here, so it sits like that. And next what you have to do is you simply have to hold your top thread with one hand, so again put a tiny bit of pressure essentially, otherwise it won't actually be able to catch the bottom bobbin. So again put a bit of pressure on the top thread and with your other hand simply turn it counterclockwise, so your direction is so down a bit. So you see I'm holding this a bit, and you see eventually this red thread, so top thread for me essentially is coming from this side, going all the way around here until pick up the white thread. So you see, as I keep turning it, it's picking up the white thread. Also obviously again keep holding and help it yourself. So you see, it actually came up now. Then for example we can easily take maybe like scissors and simply fish it out like this. So you see, and that's pretty much it. Oh, also another important thing when you are doing this, so when you are threading, also make sure your lever is up, so the presser foot, otherwise it won't properly engage and won't properly catch the bobbin. So yeah, sorry, forgot to mention that. So let's maybe do that again up close. So let's remove it again, take the bobbin, so again on the right side, so it hangs inside here, again make sure to hold with a bit of tension here, and again drop it down. So you see what happened, it didn't even grab this time. So this is perfect example, because sometimes it doesn't even grabs properly, so you simply have to try one more round. So this is kind of completely normal on this machine, it's low-end unit essentially. Let's try once more, and you see it actually finally picked it up. And again keep some tension on this thing, so you can actually pull up this thing. Okay, so that's enough. So again literally take maybe your scissors and simply fish out that bottom thread here and get them out. So again, as you saw, it's obviously not perfect every time, so simply try again. And then yeah, we can replace basically this guard here. And when you are sewing, again make sure both your threads are under the foot. So you see how they're going like this, so under the foot, and then you can press down your foot and you can start sewing. Also again, if you all still have some problems, also try basically turning this wheel basically maybe a bit looser. At least when it was delivered for me, it was too tight essentially, there was way too much tension on the line, and again it couldn't actually properly feed the line basically through here and grab it essentially. So again maybe loosen it, so turn it on the left side so it's more slack essentially. After that maybe you can tighten it if your stitch maybe doesn't look the best, but yeah, that's what I found on this unit. Okay, good luck.